Two wireless giants battle for your SIM card. T-Mobile or Mint Mobile? Which one really delivers? On the left, T-Mobile, the all-in premium wireless powerhouse. And on the right, Mint Mobile, brilliantly cheap, no-nonsense prepaid. Let's skip the marketing speak and get into what actually matters. We'll award points in every major category, so by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The answer might surprise you. Here's a mind map of everything we're covering today. Price, data and performance, coverage, perks and features, plan flexibility, and, of course, who each plan is actually best for, so you won't miss a single important point. Okay, first up, let's talk price. And come on, who doesn't care about saving a few bucks each month? So, with T-Mobile, you get taxes and fees baked into most plans, which is nice, you know? Plus, if your whole family's jumping in, those multi-line discounts can definitely shave off some dollars. But look, if you're riding solo, T-Mobile's price jump is pretty steep, and it's month-to-month only, so no real chance to save by prepaying ahead. Now, Mint Mobile, here's where things get spicy. Mint is basically famous for being dirt cheap, especially if you pay for a year up front, which, admittedly, isn't for everyone. But seriously, you can spend half what you drop on a big carrier if you're a light or moderate user. A little catch. Taxes and fees? They're not included, so the advertised price isn't the final price. But overall, Mint just crushes this category. If you want the lowest possible bill, Mint takes the cake. Jumping into data and performance. So, let's be real here. T-Mobile absolutely flexes on premium high-speed data. We're talking unlimited, like the good kind that doesn't slow you down. And hotspot fans, listen up. On the pricier T-Mobile plans, you get up to 50 gigabytes of hotspot, which is, honestly, that's wild. You won't get your speeds throttled as a T-Mobile customer unless you pick a lower tier plan, but even then, the hotspot's kind of meh at 3G. Mint Mobile isn't bad. You get hotspot data included on every plan, and speeds are decent since Mint uses the same T-Mobile network. But, big but, you can get deprioritized if the network suddenly gets congested. It's just how the pecking order works, you know? For folks who need that reliable, unbothered speed, T-Mobile is the clear winner here. All right, now for coverage. And honestly, this one's kind of a tie. T-Mobile covers you pretty much everywhere in the US, and they're killing it on 5G. You get top priority in crowded spots, so if you're in a stadium or out in the sticks, you're set. Mint Mobile, and listen, this is kind of funny, they actually run on T-Mobile's network, so you get the same coverage, including their fancy ultra-capacity 5G. Only difference? During super busy times, Mint users might slip a little in the pecking order, but it's super minor unless you live in a packed city. For everyday folks, they both nail coverage. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Mint Mobile was actually bought by T-Mobile back in 2023, but they still run totally separate deals and plans. So yeah, you can't just jump from one to the other and expect the same price or perks. Wild, right? Moving on, perks and features. T-Mobile's basically in full show-off mode here, honestly. On their upper-tier plans, you get stuff like Netflix, Hulu, Apple TV+, no joke, major value adds. Plus, if you're globetrotting, their international roaming is way more advanced, and you get sweet device upgrade options early. But if you're bargain hunting and settle for T-Mobile Essentials, you'll have fewer bells and whistles. Now, Mint Mobile, on the other hand, totally strips out the fluff. You get simple, easy-to-understand plans and some family plan savings. No fancy streaming perks, barely there international features. So for folks who love bundled extras, T-Mobile, hands down. Plan flexibility and commitments. Let's break this down. T-Mobile's classic monthly billing is kind of a breath of fresh air. Switch anytime, add lines, no need to buy a whole year in advance. Mint Mobile's approach? You've got to prepay for at least 3 months, with the best deals coming when you fork over a whole year up front. Kind of intimidating if you're not ready to commit. Sure, Mint lets you sample 3 months at their killer annual rate, which is nice, but you better be sure you're sticking around. On flexibility, T-Mobile totally wins. Who's best for? This is actually interesting. T-Mobile's ideal for families, folks who stream 24/7, love their unlimited data, and need those travel perks. But it gets real expensive if you just want basic talk and text. On the flip side, Mint Mobile is perfect for single users, light or moderate data needs, anyone who wants outrageous savings, or lives that prepaid lifestyle. Neither is bad. Depends who you are. Tie for this one. All right, so let's take a look at this radar chart. You can see where each carrier really shines. Mint Mobile scores crazy high on price, but slips when it comes to perks and premium data. Meanwhile, T-Mobile absolutely owns data, coverage, and features, but oof, that price. Yeah, it could sting if you're on a budget. So, final breakdown. If your top priority is saving cash and you're cool committing to a year up front, Mint Mobile is just unbeatable on value, especially heading into 2025 when everyone's looking to save. But if you want the best unlimited data, crazy streaming perks, top network priority, and flexibility, it's gotta be T-Mobile. For families or folks who work and play online nonstop, T-Mobile is worth the splurge. All right, if you found this comparison even a little bit helpful, hit that follow. You'll always get smarter tech tips every time. See you in the next